Hi guys, it's Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, helping you at home, millionaire mom, helping you at home make money online. 10 reasons why affiliate marketers fail. Procrastination. What the hell does that mean? It means actually knowing what you should do, but doing something else. Like if your best mate rings you for a cup of tea just as you were going to do your brilliant piece of content for Facebook, you spend an hour on the phone, you've lost the incentive, so you go and do something else. So, if you come home from work and you're tired, you've got to do the tea, put the kids to bed, I can't be bothered today, I'm going to watch NCIS. How committed are you to getting that holiday in the Maldives, that house in France, that new car that you want, or this new life that you want? Tell me where you're from, hit the notifications button, hit the like button, tell me what country you're from, then I can help you on my quest to help everybody worldwide make money. Okay, so you need to concentrate, guys. There is an app called Pomodoro, which is 25 seconds at a time. And you say, I'm going to do my piece of brilliant Facebook content in 25 minutes. Then I'm going to do a YouTube video for 25 minutes. Then I'm going to do messages on Facebook for 25 minutes. So there's an hour and a half. But which one of these is the most important? Content, emails, YouTube video, or actually asking people if they're open to see your opportunity, or something else? Answer me below, guys, because this is an interesting question. Anyway, if you need any more information on making money online or got any questions, let me know and I will answer you. We're doing a 30-day YouTube challenge and I'm keeping up to the minute info as it happens. Click the like button, click the notifications button, and if you want to earn a full-time income online, click the link below and I'll see you on the inside. Bye guys.